All right? In the most chaotic conditions this world is today. So at that time, a kind of a silence will come within you. When there will be any such crisis, immediately you will become extremely silent. But this is again a state I am telling. So now, if there is something that makes you upset or makes you unhappy, try to reach that point, that axis, which is just silence. And this silence will make you really powerful. Because this silence is not only yours. When you are in that silence, you are in the silence of the cosmos. Silence of the cosmos. And the silence of the cosmos works for you. You are in connection with that cosmic power, we can call it. It's more than that, it's divine power, I should say. Divine power which is working all the cosmos also. It is the complete, the totality of reality. Complete totality of reality is this all-pervading power. Other things are unreal. And the reality is so efficient. It is so efficient, it never fails, like this mic. It's such a tremendous, you can call the intertwined process, which we cannot even imagine with this human understanding. How it controls, how it works. For example, you see the trees. Rose bush will give rose only. It won't give apples. It will grow up to a certain height. It won't grow like a coconut tree. All the characters of this nature is maintained, nourished, looked after, controlled absolutely at the right time, at the right seasons. That's why in Sanskrit this is called as Rutam Bhara Pragya. Rutu means seasons, and the one which looks after the seasons, that knowledge which is enlightened. Simple definition. But still, it doesn't explain. Because it is so complicated for a human brain that they cannot understand how it works. Now, all the miracles you have described, I have seen. I mean, there are so many still to be recorded. It's just a play of this power which thinks, understands, cooperates, coordinates and loves, and looks after you, is at your disposal. At your disposal. Wherever you go, the connection is maintained. It's like a governor traveling, you see the security travels with him. So they are all around. Not only with me, but with you also.